This is our planet Earth. Hakolop also the apu. We're gonna learn everything on the Earth. Pagmalo baka tauwelo hako the play apu. We're gonna learn the names all about the Earth. Pagmalo baka hako the play apu. Damia thati the panel. First, we're gonna learn the continents. Asokta ne pagmalo ne komu badapa. First, Asia. No iter ko Asia. Second, Europe. No iki ko Europa. Third, North America. No iter Galiso America. Fourth, South America. No lui Galiti America. Fifth, Africa. No ye ko Africa. Sixth, Oceania. No hu ko Oceania. Seven, Antarctica. No nui ko Antarctica. Como wada pami we ko Asia, ko Europa, Galiso America, Galiti America, ko Africa. Como wa Oceania, como wa Antarctica did panela. Now we're gonna learn all about the planet Earth, all the names of the oceans. Okay, bugamalo ne bakano. Ocean pole potro did panela. The first ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pole akoti de bimiwe. Pacific pole. The second ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. Pole kibe de bimiwe. Atlantic pole nilo. The third ocean is the Indian Ocean. Pole third de bimiwe. Kola thu pole nilo. The fourth ocean is the Antarctic Ocean. Pole mubwa luibe de bimiwe. Antarctic pole mubwa nilo. The fifth ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Pole mubwa yebe de bimiwe. Arctic pole mubwa nilo. Pamalo niba. Pacific pole mubwa. Atlantic pole mubwa. India pole mubwa. Antarctic pole mubwa. Do Arctic pole mubwa third panelo.
Alright guys, if you like my videos, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Hello guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all.